it's Mama's Boy, and today we're going to be building a Hot Wheels track that goes from the porch all the way down to the snow. Oh yeah!
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one chance, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain, I will scream them loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight.
3, 2, 1. Alright guys, we have these two cars. We tested them out. These are the only two that work. This is our thing. We have a Hot Wheels and it goes down and it hits this. The plane goes flying up and hopefully the cars will go up. This we have tested it, but sometimes they don't work. So let's get to it. First car, test number 1. Did not go all the way up the ramp, but the plane did fly. We will be trying out some different cars, so let's get right to it. In 3, 2, 1. Fail. Alright, redo. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, fail. In 3, 2, 1. Fail. Alright, we're gonna get some more cars. See if they'll make it. The trick is the light. They need to be light to be able to make it. So, I've just gotten some random cars. We just lost another car. That one will kind of work. Next car. We lost 2 cars around. Remember.
Hey boy, hey, what are you doing?
I'm building a track for our Hot Wheels, and it goes down through the porch until sometimes they make it'll hit the ramp to make it the plane fly, and then hopefully, not always, it has not worked at all. It's gonna make a big jump into the snow.
So instead of doing one inside, you're doing a sled for Matchbox cars? Awesome. All right, boy, get back to work.
Alright guys, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and make sure to comment what we're asked to do next. Hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.